Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, we have XTZ or Tezos. Okay, Tezos is sitting at price from $5, just about $5. Okay, $5.08, and as you can see, we did manage to push to the upside. This is how the weekly chart looks like, and for the past week, we have been up 33%, which is like pretty a lot for Tezos. Okay, we did fill this order block that we had right here, which like I'm absolutely pretty grateful about. And as you can see, I mean, when I started making videos about Tezos, like we have been down like right around here, I guess, not right around there. Okay, so we didn't manage to buy there. Then I averaged down at these lows, so my average will be somewhere around $3 or something like that. So for this, at the moment, I'm up like 60 or something percent to the for Tezos in my portfolio, but I'm not managing to sell. Like, of course, I'm holding Tezos to right around like $100, of course. And yeah, that's my prediction about the price and when I'm gonna be holding it for. And for the prediction for the short term and stuff like that, I think that I will not be surprised if this even comes to and retest these areas right here. Okay, so this is a pretty good order block right there. So I think that this could get filled, something like that, and then kind of continue to push to the upside. So peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and